Hey guys, my name is Rayona and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the LRR Comer store on Amazon. It comes with a pair of eyelashes and a mesh wig cap. This wig is a 10-inch bob, a 13x4 lace front, and 150% density. It's also human hair, bouncy, and feels thick and soft. Also, the wig doesn't smell bad or anything, and it comes with some baby hairs. And on the inside of the wig, you have 4 combs, adjustable straps, and additional lace at the bottom of it. Now I'm going to flat iron the wig, and I'll be using this small flat iron for the shorter hair in the back.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
And this is the wig after I flat ironed it. It didn't shed much, and the back of the bob looks pretty even. But the hair on the sides is thin and not as thick as the back or the middle of the wig, and the hair on the top is pretty frizzy. So I already cut the lace and I put the wig on. To tame some of the flyaways, I used this hot comb. Then I applied this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, color 360 to my part, in lace to get it to match my skin tone better. Next, I used Got To Be Glued Freeze Spray and their Ultra Glued Gel to glue the front of my wig down. I also used the Style Factor Edge Booster and my edge brush to create some baby hairs. Then I applied this She Is Bomb hair wax stick to get the top of my wig to lay flat. And lastly, I used the scarf to tie my edges down. So this is how the wig turned out. It just looks okay to me. I'm not crazy about the hair at all. The part looks decent though. I didn't pluck it or anything. Something about the hair in the front of the wig is throwing the style off for me. It's thinner than the rest of the hair, and in my opinion, a little too long. It's like the cut isn't quite right. The hair in the front seems a little stringy and stiff too, but the cut in the back is decent. But let me know what you guys thought of this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other styles you want to see from me or what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching.